Hey guys, Captain Taylor here with SaltyScales.com. Today I want to discuss both the popping cork and shrimp and how you can combine the two to have extreme success when targeting redfish. It's actually a very simple technique and anyone can implement it. So follow along and I'll show you how to do it. Alright guys, so what you're going to see in this video, I'm actually just using the shrimp and the popping cork, and the way I'm hooking them is via the tail. So you just take your hook and you drive it right down the center of the tail, and that's what you'll have. And the reason, one of the things that I like when using this particular rig is that when you cast it, all the weight is distributed so that's where you could get an optimal cast. So you're going to be able to cast further and more accurately. So as you can see, if you continue watching, it's a very effective technique and it will help you to catch more fish on the water. So try it out, give us a report back, tell us if you like it, if you didn't like it,